Today we are going to take a look at the new UniWigs Harper Ultra-Breathable Hairline Hair Topper. So as the name suggests, the new Hairline Hair Topper literally just covers the hairline. It's literally this much, that's it. It's 1.5 inches by 11 inches. So this piece right here, if you can see it moving, that's all it is. There are no clips. It's just 2 silicone patches here and then a halo wire. You probably saw there is lace, so it's full lace. When you receive it, it'll probably have about that much lace on it, so you will want to trim it back. The hair topper literally comes, it's just for your hairline. So if that's your trouble area, then this hair topper might be good for you. If you're worried about a hair topper being too much of a density, this is great because it's super lightweight and it's not bulky. Like all of this is my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take it off just so you can see what it looks like. This is me natural. So this is it. This is Harper. This is all she comes. Now again, this is the color natural black. And this one is the 14-inch length. Now these are the little silicone pads that are underneath. So this is how the halo wire is attached. So you see that there's this clip here. So you could remove the entire thing if you wanted to and not use the halo wire. There's another little bracket here you can just slide off. I personally just keep it. I feel like it just gives extra security to my hair topper. And what you would do then, if you want to tighten it, you would just take part of the wire and then I hold here and then I just pull until I get it to the tightness that I want. If I want to loosen it, then just pull the other end and like so. So this wire that helps secure your hair topper. Now this is my situation here, and I think this topper in particular is good for those of us that are like this, that have a thin hairline. So let's take a look. I'm gonna show you how to put it on. So I just put it on over my head like this. Some girls will make a ponytail first and then put on the hair topper and then let go of the ponytail. Personally, I just put it on like this and then slide it onto my head like so. Now at first it's gonna look a little weird, a little bit of a hot mess, but see where the wire is? Like right now it's over my ear. So I'm just gonna put it behind my ear. I'm gonna pull out some of my natural hair so it kind of hides the wire. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Now the lace, again, I've already trimmed it back, but I bring it to my skin, like right to the edge of my hairline to get it to blend in. And then I just finish it off, making sure everything is blended well. Brush my natural hair with the hair topper. Do the same on this side, make sure there aren't any gaps. Make sure my halo wire isn't poking out somewhere. Now again, this is real human hair. So you can wash it, you can cut it, you can dry it, you can use heat tools. Remember, if you're gonna cut it, it's not gonna grow back. So make sure you get the style that you want. And that's it. So this is what it looks like on the top. Now, if you want to use some hair fibers, if you're still struggling up here, then what you do is you grab your UniWigs fibers, just unplug it, and then just put it where you want, where you need it. And then just kind of brush it. And that's it. It's very natural looking. You don't feel weighed down, at least I don't feel weighed down with the hair toppers. Because some of the other toppers, you know, they're 120% density, so that's a lot of hair. It's beautiful, but sometimes it's just a lot, and many of us are not used to having so much hair, right? And so at the beginning, it's like, oh man, like I love it, but it's just so much, I don't know how to work with it. So this might actually be beginner friendly. You might want to try it, especially if you have a weak hairline like I do. But overall, I really like it. It made me a little nervous at first, the lace, because I think of all the hair toppers I have, I think most of them have bangs. So I usually don't worry about lace being seen, you know, even though I cut it back, you can't really see it with the bangs. But then this one doesn't really have bangs, it just has these layers. So at first it made me nervous, but overall the transition is pretty nice. I might try the got to be glued just to give, you know, a little extra security, especially on the sides. But overall, I really like it.